Hey guys, so today what I have for review is this rechargeable flashlight for camping or for hiking by KEPEAK. So let's go ahead and open up the box and see what is all included and how this flashlight actually works. Alright, so simply as we open the box, it has a hard case that it comes in. You know the markings. Alright, and this was what seems to be a carrying case for the flashlight. Assuming this is a rechargeable battery. Some type of remote. This is a flashlight itself. It's nice. It's not heavy and it is not light. Assuming this is the charging cable. And a set of three AAA batteries. Obviously the manual that will tell you guys how it performs, how it works. Alright, and this is the case itself. So let's go ahead and install everything else and see how it works. So let's go ahead and install a battery and see how the flashlight actually works. You just untwist the cap on the back and comes with this cover, and I'm assuming this is what the three small batteries are for, the three AAA batteries. Yep, if you can see right here. These markings inside, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but right here it says AAA. And on the back there's an arrow that will show you which way the battery is supposed to be installed. Alright, so since it comes with this big battery, which is, so these three small AAA batteries are the equivalent of one of these. So let's go ahead and put it with positive side top. All right. Obvious. Okay, so let's see. That's pretty bright. And I'm certainly sure this LED lights is the indicator of how much battery you have left. All right. Let's see, it has different modes. Dim, dimmer, strobe, flash, and off. So even though this is daylight right now, I kind of turn off the lights to see how the flashlight works, the range. Wow, that's pretty good. And just for reference point, I mean, this is great. You guys can see it lights up the entire room. Depending on how far you go, the further you go, the further reach. And definitely love this flashlight. So you're sure in if you are in an emergency inside of the road, you can use the flash or the strobe setting to signal emergency services, or you know, if you guys are requiring to have someone stop, or a tow truck, something, this will work great. And even with all the lights on, you can still easily be able to tell the spotlight setting and the flashlight setting itself. Alright, so I've went and installed the AAA batteries into the shelf that it come with. And by the way, this actually goes right back here. Alright. Let's remove the cap and remove the old battery back out. And we'll install this. Alright, so as I was saying, these right now has a three AAA batteries in it, and if I turn it on, it will actually, the LEDs lights up, letting you know it has full power. Same thing, it works on 3 AAA batteries, or compatible with this battery, which is a 26650A. Or the third kind is the 18650 battery. So any of these batteries would work. As I was saying earlier, my apologies, I thought this is actually some kind of remote, but this is just a keychain light. You just press it like this and it turns on, you know, for lock or something. And it seems like the flashlight can actually be charged via the USB port here on the back. You just flip it up like this, and you can charge it either via the USB type C, it goes in, or just the regular USB 2.0. Either works. So yeah, great little flashlight. Can use it as emergency light or spotlight. It's a great flashlight. You know, keep it in your home or keep it in your car. Take it on your dog walks, or just you know, for a walk at night. It has a nice little handle that you can wrist wrap. You can just put it around your wrist. Sorry, you can make it smaller or make it bigger, and keep it with you. You know, it works great. Seems like it has a very long range, and definitely very, very bright. And that'll be the end of our review. Thank you very much.